All right, so what did you catch today there, Mr. John? Let's see your booty. Show the world your booty of fish. All right, look at that. Caught a bunch of
2, 3, 4, 5 drum.
what do they call drum anyway? They're like
Black drum.
no, but there's a word for like crooks or thieves, or because they have the stripes. But yeah, you got the whole jail, it looks like. And what do you got over there, Zafar? You got a redfish. How big is it? Huh? Too small? You never know it looking at Zafar, but there's a little lawn chair in the back of his kayak, and that would be for his son, Timmy, who's sitting back there, and he's been sleeping a lot. But oh, nice red. Not big enough?
Not something.
Oops, sorry, fish. Alright, he's hammering. Alright, well, they're doing good. I did catch a they call it a drum as well, and lots of catfish, which I really don't, or the hardheads I don't like. But thank you, Lord, for that, and thank you for getting us away for social distancing for the coronavirus. All right,